Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google document on Android. It's really simple and easy. So first of all, make sure to download and install the Google Docs application in your device. So in the search bar, just simply search for Google Docs, tap on it and make sure it installs. After that, tap on this open and sign in with your Google account if not already signed in. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner here and you can see new document and choose template. So I'm going for this choose template. Choose a template from the list. Tap the entitled document field at the top and entitle it. Now tap on this OK here. Now you can use the editing tools to write, formats and customize your documents. Your changes will be automatically saved to your Google Drive. Tips for creating a Google document on Android. Offline editing. Enable offline access and Google Docs apps by going to the dashboard and topping menu. Tap on these three bars in the top left corner, go for the settings and make sure to toggle on make recent files available offline. Here it is. Collaborate in real time. Share the document with others using the share button. Let's say open this document and you can see this button here. Tap on this share button and you can collaborate in real time now. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create a Google document on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.